Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be doing a 2-point perspective of the Arc De Triomphe. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a 2-point perspective tutorial and I'm going to be drawing the Arc De Triomphe, which is one of the most famous landmarks in France. To complete this drawing you'll need an HB pencil. I'm using a 0.5 thickness permanent fine line pen and I'm also using a kneaded eraser. Whenever you're drawing perspectives, it's very important that you start with a horizon line or a horizontal line and then you're going to work with your vertical lines. Now when we're drawing a 2-point perspective, anything to the left of your horizontal lines is going to go down towards the left hand dot that you've made on the horizon line, and anything going from the right of the horizontal line is obviously going to go down towards the right hand dot. This is really important and it will just make sure that you've got the right structure throughout the drawing. So this drawing is actually looking at the corner. The center line is sort of the corner of the Arc De Triomphe as we're looking at it, and the lines fading away going out to the right and to the left are going to be obviously the horizontal lines. If we were looking at it face on, they would be straight, but we're actually looking at it, like I say, from the corner. And I really enjoy this technique. I really enjoy drawing using these 2-point or 1-point perspectives. I'm going to go through a few more sort of landmarks, so if there's something that you'd like me to have a go at drawing, maybe it's a famous landmark or maybe it's a 1-point perspective of a street or something like that, then don't forget, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think of these. To make this drawing a little bit more realistic, you could obviously use a ruler, but I just thought I'd go for this freehand, just so that you can see the process that I'm going through and the mistakes that obviously I'm going to make going through the drawing, and how I correct those using the kneaded eraser, and also making sure that I'm not going too dark with the pencil and making any finer corrections towards the end as I'm putting the details in with the pen. So as you can see, I'm just going through the same process. Any of the lines going from the right hand side of the vertical lines are going towards the dot on the horizon line to the right, and anything going from the left is going out towards the left hand dot. Obviously I'm going to speed this up because this actually did take me about an hour and a half to complete. So now you're getting the general idea of it. You can see that I'm just following this pattern. I'm using the horizon dots and the horizon line to get me some accurate measurements. Obviously I'm doing this all freehand, but like I've said, you can do this with a ruler if you wanted to make it a little bit more realistic. I'm actually halfway through drawing Hogwarts and I am using a ruler for that because I want a little bit more realism. But there's pretty much all of the major lines, the archways and some of the details going in, and now what I'm doing is I'm using a 0.5 thickness permanent marker. You can get these from any stationery shops, they're very cheap. Make sure that the ink's dry before you start going over areas to fill in more details. I like to start over on the left hand side of the drawing, just so that by the time I do get back over to that side the ink has dried. You can ruin a lot of your drawings if you go over it too soon and the ink hasn't dried. Now as you can see, I'm not going for an ultra realistic drawing. I have been doing ultra realistic drawings on the channel. If you're new to this channel, go and check out some of my older videos. I do everything from Copic marker, cartoon work to realistic graphite work. But like I say, this was something that I wanted to do a little bit more of a tutorial on. And as you can see, it's not ultra detailed. I'm really happy with how it finished. Let me know what you think of this, guys, down in the comments below. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate a like, and maybe you consider subscribing to my channel. Hello to all of the new subscribers that we've had recently. I think I'm gaining 2 to 3 a day, so that's fantastic growth. I'm really excited about what's to come. If you've got any recommendations for future videos, let me know down below in the comments. You can also get a hold of me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links to all of those platforms are down below in the descriptions. I'm having a real blast with the channel, and this is obviously a new type of drawing for me. If this is something that you like and you'd like more of these perspective drawings, then like I say, don't forget, smack the like button and let me know down in the comments below. But we're sort of towards the end of this now. That's kind of the finished drawing. I've added in some shaded areas under some of the archways, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.